Guys, I got fidget spinner. This is a short video because I barely have any time left. I have 49 I have like 30 seconds left in this video, so enjoy it. It's a fidget spinner. It's bought it from 7-Eleven. Dang. Oh, let's go. Oh, again. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Oh, so close. Peace.